lower the music a little bit. I think it's fine. I don't know, but I think it's fine. Might be fine. Hope everybody's doing well. For people watching, this is part 2 of day 10 of 227 to a million trading challenge. Challenge, not challenge. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. By the way, not financial advice, you know, disclaimer down below the video. I do my money, you do your money, you know. I do me, you do you. So there is that. I got destroyed, 0 wins. Time for a little break. There you go. You should take, you know, a whole day break. Like, just chill, play some Minecraft. Why not? There we go. Bitcoin's pulling down a little bit. CKB over here. Technically that's pulling down. It is actually looking very, very good. But, you know, might do this third move towards downside. Now, we still got, you know, 1 hour and 21 minutes until the fall. But I did see this doji over here, which looks very nice. I shorted, sold back 10%. Nice, very nice. Are you doing well on the short, or how is the short going so far? Solana, it looks like you're doing well. Depends on when you actually entered, you know, but you know, it looks like you're doing well. I want to go long though. I'm stupidly bullish, guys. I'm definitely stupidly bullish. So as you see over here, today we had a trade KDR long 10x 306. We lost $8 because of the fees. But right now it's not actually day 10, 11. It's still day 10. Part 2. Or we can just say, you know, 21st, 6th. And there might or might not be a trade today. I don't know. I don't feel sleepy. I don't feel tired. And stuff looks like it's, you know, doing well. Meaning it's going down. Stuff looks like it's doing well, meaning it's going down. So I was thinking maybe there is, you know, place for a long. Not only that, Mladen was back in the chat. So, you know, he gave us the target, so I thought, you know, maybe, just maybe, we might, you know, take him on his word, show him that we still care, and long the target. I see here, after the stream actually was done, he posted, Mladen Petrov, we will bounce at 63,150. So let's see where we are right now. 150, not actually that far down. You can see it down here. Over here at the bottom, where is it? 430. 333 on over here. This was 373, so 333 give or take, and he thinks we're gonna bounce at 150. You know, it's give or take down there, you know, we're pretty low. Now that might happen because this move over here right now might actually go down, kick that, and go towards upside. So we're gonna keep his target in mind, 150 give or take. And maybe there is a move towards downside again. We're gonna check that out. But this is 1 hourly time frame. It already looks kind of nice. Let me pop some moving averages on the chart. I mean, this first rejection, second rejection, and down a little bit. I mean, might be a little bit more down while this still goes towards downside. So there is that. Maybe there is a short somewhere over here. A little bit unsure about that. The dominance is still crashing towards downside at daily time frame, as you can see over here, which is actually very, very nice. Bitcoin's down was almost 2% down, and Bitcoin dominance was still down. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is going towards upside, trying to, you know, recover. It's recovering very nicely over here. Still not there. Mladen is in the chat, man. How you doing, man? Nice that you could join us. I don't know what happened and why you left the chat. Maybe personal reasons, maybe some other reasons. I don't know. But it's nice that you're watching, man. Evening from that Ireland. Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie. How you doing, Anne? Are your spot pegs doing well? It is close, but you know what we often say when stuff is very, very close? You know, technically it already hit the target, technically speaking, right? I mean, 150 is very, very close. I mean, that's like, you know, it's nothing, literally nothing. It's pretty much there, right? Especially when you look at a little bit bigger time frames over here. I don't know if this is your line or not, but well, now you're no longer in the chat, so I don't know what lines you have. But down here at the bottom, I mean, there are 3 touches up here. I don't think it's this one up here. This would actually go, maybe this was this one and they were looking at this, but right now it's maybe 004 over here. I don't know where the lines goes over here when it comes to Bitcoin. This is for, let's look at the daily time frame. But this is the most important part, right? This entire thing is the most important part. And the way I do this is, you know, I just look at oh, this is nice. Oh, that's 30. Oh, that's 30. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, that's nice. Let's make a channel out of this. All the way down, all the way here, up there. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, that looks juicy. Looks nice. Then target is down, all the way down here at, you know, 62.7. I don't know, a little bit unsure about it. So let's look a little bit moving averages up here. It's below moving averages, still pushing down on the daily time frame, but there might be a line over here, give or take. This line. I don't think it's this one up here. And this already looks like broken, but it doesn't seem to be this one over here. Let me remove the moving averages for a second. I'm watching. I'm feeling pressured, man. It's nice, it's nice. So this move over here broke. So we take the last one, which is over here, push it over here. Then we make a channel out of this thing over here. It goes something like this, and the midline over here should be somewhere around here. So this channel over here. But we already know that because this is a channel I've been watching for a long time. So it goes something like this over here, and down there, and up there. And it is on the target though. 63.30, 333. Depends on how you draw the line. But it is midline though, it is midline. And on the bottom side we had, you know, 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, bullish, go up, break the midline up here, hit 1 time, 2 times, go all the way down to the midline and then towards the upside. 63, 151 midline. But 63, I don't know, maybe you are watching another, you know, you know what? I know Mladen, you know, I know Mladen. He's always watching this, this crappy exchange, Bitstamp. He's always watching this crappy exchange. It goes something like this over here, up there. Nah, it's maybe maybe he's looking at the weekly. $63.4. No, on Bybit daily, but it's not on Bybit, man. I don't know how you draw the line. You know, my lines go like this, and I don't care where your line is. But, you know, midline over here is a 63.33. It hit it on the dollar, like on the dollar. It's good enough for me, right? Regardless, we are having the daily doji up here, pulling right now down. Non-Bybit daily, 2 top weeks. There are 2 top weeks. Oh, you're looking at this over here, maybe. Oh, you're looking at this over here. All the way towards the downside. Doesn't work out. 2 top weeks. You pick up everything, go towards the downside, it's below. Go all the way down, it's hitting it. I have absolutely no idea. See, you should not left the chat, man. I cannot see your lines. You know what? We're done. We're done. Regardless, you know, you gotta come back to chat if you want me to, you know, look at it. I'm not doing this, you know, this week, that week. April the 7th, you know, June the 14th, whatever, right? I'm not doing that. Like, either you post chart somewhere or, you know, you just watch. We're doing this our way, you know, we fail. It, you know, the way I see it, we are on the bottom. We got a photo. He did post. He posts. There we go. We got a Mladen chart, guys. A Mladen chart. There we go. It is literally the same chart that I drew. I don't know how you got this this over here. This week, bottom weeks, It's literally the same. Literally the same. This one, 3 bottoms, and my line's over here showing this one. I don't know what you did with your chart, man. Maybe it's because you're using iPhone, or maybe you're using Android. I don't know what you're using. iPad. Bottom wick over here. Perpetual contract 1 day. Perpetual contract 1 day. It is literally the same. Zoom in on your lines. What do you mean zoom in on my lines? On the daily. This week up here. This week over here. This week down here. Okay. 150. Yeah, okay. But I was using this over here in the middle. I know. Okay, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how this happened. I literally drew the same chart again. You know, let's go a little bit back. Let's go a little bit back. Let's go a little bit back. It was literally the same chart. See? This week over here. Why doesn't it work this time? This week. This week. This week. Now it works. Absolutely no idea. The way I see it, we hit the bottom, man. The way I see it, we hit the bottom. I don't care. 333. No, 63, 333. 63, 150. It's all good in my book, man. It's all good. We got a doji, we are pumping, you know, we are breaking this towards upside. It's all good, man. It's all good. But it might not be good just yet. I think maybe it goes up here and, you know, retest that. Or maybe just get to, you know, picks up the liquidity and then goes. Yeah, some exchange with it, I agree. I don't know. To me it looks good. It looks good enough. I've been very bullish for the last couple of days, even more than that. I've been watching the charts and I'm just expecting pump anytime now. I have absolutely no idea what we are waiting for. Zero idea what we are waiting for. Weekly looks bad though. But the daily looks good. Still 5 hours left. Maybe we're waiting for this 4 hourly, and then, maybe go towards upside. Regardless, we gotta find something we're gonna trade, because I don't know what we're gonna do. And like I told you guys, I'm still not tired, so that's why we are doing, you know, late night stream. But I did wake up very early. So there's that. LOTL live again, for the second time. That's why it may be logarithmic. Yeah, it's not logarithmic. Bump and run reversal pattern. Time frame, which coin? Be quite bullish. TRB is quite bullish. TRB USDT Bybit. It's not on Bybit, man. What I miss? You didn't miss anything. We all good, man. What about shorting Solana? But Solana is already down by a bunch, man. How can we short Solana right now? Like, look at this. How can you short this more? Like over here, you can, if it has some kind of pump, you can maybe short there for another move towards the downside or whatnot, right? But you know, after this, but much more like it's getting close. It's getting close. Like, how can you start shorting now? Like up here, maybe. Like when it goes up, you short. When it goes down, you long. Especially right now, hitting these, you know, support levels over here on downside. Like, it has still room to go down if it wants, I think, but. Regardless, let's find something bullish like this over here. Like Solana is actually looking bullish. We should actually just long Solana, just since Cobus is actually you know, short. I told it pumped up here 2%. Sorry, man. But you know, we long and then everything dumps. Gala shorting. Why does everybody want to short bottoms? Why does Gala is not on Bybit? Why does everybody want to short? I don't get it. look at his dailies over here. Dodgy, still pushing down. Everything actually went below. Everything went below the support levels. See, it's on bottom. Depending on how you draw it, but you know. Maybe it's over here, but that actually broke. This looks like it's on the bottom. So right now this this move over here, this type Kala, not Kals. Okay. Sorry about that. There we go. How can you short this, man? What's wrong with you people? Like, look at his downtrend over here. Sure, it can continue down and whatnot, right? But, you know, at least have some kind of pump, right? And there is no pump. Like, there is nothing. Over here. Can you... I don't know how you guys can do this. I don't know. But look at this, man. Like, I would understand some kind of shorting when it bounces up here or whatnot. It starts hitting some kind of level resistance, right? But it's literally on the bottom, man. It's literally on the bottom, right? Probably some kind of overextensions over here, right? Look at the RSI, daily RSI, down 22, picking up to 26. Look at the daily momentum up here, climbing towards the upside up here on this move towards the downside. There were overextensions up here on the daily time frame, like over here, like it had to go a little bit towards the upside. Look at a 3-day, like overextension, like you know what, like this is where we are right now. People don't understand. How can you short now? Have you taken a trade today? Yeah, we did a trade today. Unfortunately, we lost $8, but that was because of the fees. So there is that. We need to do something about it. Damn, where the beer go? Fast and Furious, long time no see. I indicator for ADA USD was updated less than an hour ago and is currently in a long state with 6% risk, open price block. If there is an AI who's good at, you know, trading, and believe me, there are AIs for trading, they're not selling it to you, they're not giving it out to anybody else, they're keeping it to themselves and they're making money. They're giving you trash and they're keeping the good stuff for themselves. If there is an AI that's good at trading AI, be sure if you want that, you're gonna pay a lot of money for that. It's not like, $3.99. Nah. You want that kind of stuff, you know, the good stuff, you gotta pay for it. Big time. Big time. By the way, I did look into some of these coins. They often break the support levels, and once they break the support levels over here, they tend to go towards upside. So we are getting into this capitulation phase right now, where everything is a little bit down. Now, Bitcoin is still recovering like a champ. I mean, this is just pumping towards upside. I was expecting a little bit pullback over here. Looks like there is no pullback. There are major levels over here of resistance over here. On the 15-minute time frame up here, 4-hourly time frame is hitting those levels right now. Major level on the 4-hourly time frame is up here at 64.11. Looks actually good. Trade up, no open trades right now, guys. Bitcoin is just keeps on pumping. By the way, guys, I don't know if you know. Again, I mentioned this early during the stream. Ethereum is outplaying Bitcoin. The dominance is still going down. See here on the daily time frame, still going down. Imagine this: Bitcoin is down 2% and dominance still goes down. How can you be bullish? How can you be bearish? Let's check out a little bit coins over here. I did just see something down by much. No, that wasn't that. Okay, so let's quickly go on the 4-hourly, see if we can find anything that looks this like Cardano does look very decent, especially this double bottom over here. It went up here, down there, broke that, retesting these levels over here on the downside. We can look at a little bit more, but it does look nice. But this on the 4 hour, you see up here, it's already bouncing a little bit towards upside. So we're not catching the bottom, you know, the bottom itself. Look at this trend over here. Give or take. Let me see volume. Volume is important in these things. Big volume up here, pull back down. Big volume up here, volume kicking in. A little bit of overextension on 10-minute time frame over here, 5-minute time frame, big overextensions. We get these overextensions again in consolidation periods, at least on the small time frames. 1 hourly, 4 hourly. Chilies. Everything is bouncing. I think we are late by, I don't know how much. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We are late by 35 minutes. Oh, oh, this looks nice. This doesn't look done. Overextension towards downside over here. Should go somewhere over here. What kind of pattern is this over here, man? Please double doji. I don't know. I mean, there is still 1 hour left, right? And if you look at over here, right now we close up here, and then we pulled back down, and then we get a 4 hour close, so you get a double doji, and then it does this and then goes towards upside. So you know, third time is the charm, as they say. Says I indicator Cardano. What did the AI indicator said? It was up there less than an hour ago, and it's currently in a long state, open price 3798. Open price 3798. What? Close price 38760, 38766. But when? Like over here towards over here? Like which move? Like this already played out. Like he's definitely scalping or something like that. Crazy, right? How much move of that is? 2% move. I mean, maybe he posted over here. I don't know. Couple of, an hour ago down here, but you know, what are we gonna do? Like wait from, so we are supposed, you know, you get it was updated over here, and then it says wait until there and then long it over here. It's a 12-hour prediction, but it already went both up and down. Like I don't know. Watching your small trades, and I like it, but in this case you can't short because of bigger time frames, you can't long because we are not at the bottom. But I think we are at the bottom. I think we are. At least for because all of the trades that we are doing right now, you know, are 5-minute trades. It really doesn't matter, you know, what big time frames are doing. You see this kind of move, you know, it starts breaking down, you just short that. Why? Because these pullbacks, even on the big time frames, like they are nothing. Like I think Bitcoin went up and down like several times, like a couple of percentage over here. This is 1.5%, this is 1.5%, this over here is 1.5% right now, and this is the same day. This is Friday, right? So it's, you know, it's been going up and down, you know, 1.5% give or take, you know, wait. So over here started. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times up and down, 1.3%. And that's what we are trying to get, you know, scalping, you know, these 1% moves. And it already did this like 6 times already. Even though it's, you know, not on the bottom or it's this bottom, it really doesn't matter. You see these moves. But the thing is, the price, if the price is bullish, even on the small moves, you know, it will go faster towards the upside. At least that kind of feels like that. At least that kind of feels like that. I just got this one. 298. We are up 298. It's okay. We do slow and steady, no rush. It's more like entertainment than trying to reach $1 million, right? If you reach $1 million, nice. If you reach 10,000, nice. If you reach 1,000, nice. Even if you liquidate account, it's okay. Nah, liquidation is not okay because we are doing it for entertainment only. You know, and if you're doing it for entertainment only, it's, you know, it's gotta be small time frames, like 1 minute, 5 minute time frames. People are excited, you know, trades, scalps, this, that, you know, levels, stuff moves, you know, so there is that. But, you know, it's mostly for entertainment for YouTube. People like that. So, you know, we are trying to do that. This is KDA. Our today's KDA trade up here, we entered somewhere over here and somewhere over here, and then it goes a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up. So basically up here, you know, the first move. But what I did notice, or what I'm thinking right now, if we try to catch a move on the 5 minute time frame, then, you know, we should go with the trend and however long that 5 minute time frame lasts. And we should sell as soon as the trend breaks, because I have a tendency to go to 1 minute time frame and think, oh, it's just gonna go a little bit down over here and continue, and then goes like this over here and continues down, right? So if you are catching the trend on 5 minutes and we are trading on the 5 minute, we go with the trend for you know, as long as it goes. If you are doing it to 1 minute time frame, we're doing, you know, the 1 minute trend, you know, 1 minute move or whatever, right? This is also 1 minute move as well. I mean, technically, like, still pulling back, you know, towards the upside over here. Technically, there are a lot of these, you know, trends over here towards the upside. How much is this move over here right now? 0.5. Entertainment only. Don't copy trade me. That's what I'm trying to say. Bitcoin 1.1 up here, 4 hourly time frame up here, 54 minutes left, 1 hourly close. We got some kind of, you know, momentum over here. We don't have a break of the resistance. We did go up to the resistance level right now, so there might be a pullback over here, because if you look at a 5 minute time frame over here, it's coming to the resistance level over here towards the upside. It did explode over here a little bit. And do we have any kind of, you know, overextensions over here? Let's see a volume on Bitcoin over here. There's a lot of volume on this candle over here. I think it's going to drop down a little bit, unsure how much it's going to drop down. That's the thing over here. Why is Bitcoin at 65? No, this is 64.1. Can it drop down 1%? I mean, it's been going, you know, very steadily towards the upside. It is definitely tradable, I think. The problem is if it's very bullish and it starts breaking towards the upside over here, right? But it is slow mover, like, you know, 0.25% up here towards the upside. What it can do, and what we are gonna wait for, is breakdown, retest, and then maybe short that towards the downside. Because we are still doing this on very, very small time frame, so it really doesn't matter. Stuff goes a little bit up, a little bit down. You know, I do understand why Mladen wants to catch it down here, you know, on the 4 hour and stuff like that, because these are, you know, big moves. And these big moves can go very, very far. But you know, doing this over here, you know, these kind of moves and stuff like that, like, no worries. Stuff goes up, stuff goes down. Let's see up here, do we have anything else that's a little bit overextended, stuff like that, on the small time frames, 5 minute time frames up here, Cardano up here a little bit high. I'll go explode a little bit over here towards the upside over here. Let me pop the moving average because he's, see. The noob! Welcome back to the chat. RSI on daily is 35, bottom is in. Doesn't have to be that way, but it is very, very low. Agree. Oh, this is a bullish engulfing candle. I can't show this. Let's see how 1 hourly did, you know, close over here. Do we see anything that's, you know, could be bearish on the 1 hourly? Because then maybe, just maybe, there could be a, you know, short scalp or something like that, right? I was looking at her bar, but I was looking at her bar bullishly. Let's look at these 5 minute moves. You know what? Let's take 5 minute break first. Need to think. There we go. Slowly climbing. I expect a big push. Short it. What's up, fam? How's trading going today? Not so well. We lost $8. Unfortunately. Life. How you doing, Captain? Long time no see. Since yesterday, I think. So Bitcoin broke this towards downside. But I think it might pump over here. Danny's in the chat. OB Digital. Hello. How you doing, man? Nice to have you in the chat. I'm good. Working as usual. Wasn't here yesterday because I was off work and riding my motorcycle out to the beach. Living the life. Around 68, 500, 800 is still my target. Yeah, you did say that. So on the 4 hourly, 65.8. But you know, again, I really don't know how you came to this number over here. It's literally nothing. I don't know. Maybe some kind of trend line or something like that. It gotta be that, because I don't see it. Maybe it's the 50 moving average over here. Maybe it was a little bit before that, so it was 65.8. Maybe it's the 50. I'm looking for the 50 moving average, because 50 moving average up here seems nice. Kobus, welcome to EF Fans Club. See, this is why I'm doing these trading streams, man. People are joining Telegram channel, people are subbing, people are, you know, liking the videos, there are viewers, there is excitement, you know, people like this. So, you know, that's why we do that. And, you know, I can't be bothered doing, you know, altcoin videos, stuff like that. It really doesn't, you know, spank my monkey the right way. Kobus Coites. You know, we used to have this thing every time somebody joins. They get a, you know, welcoming offer. You get to pick the coin, and I'll check the chart. Any coin. By the way, we also got a Telegram public group, but Kotic is anybody who's TA Fans Club member can join our private Telegram group where we talk the dirty stuff. You're welcome to join that. The link is somewhere on YouTube under membership, you know, stuff or something like that. I don't know. AVEX. Sure, man. I'll do it for you. How's the AVEX doing right now? We're gonna look at a big time frame stuff like that, you know, see just how it's doing. So over here, let's look at AVEX. AVEX also. So over here, this is very, very common. I think I noticed this yesterday or day before that. No, maybe a couple of days ago. We were looking at Phantom, and I then noticed that Phantom did a lot of these moves where it had a, you know, big two, you know, mountains and then broke down, consolidated over here and then exploded. And then I checked some other charts, and a lot of altcoins did this just before the big move that happened. So a lot of charts, you know, went slowly, then did the big move, then did the second big move. And when they did that, they often broke down. They break down, consolidate somehow, consolidate, and then they go again. And this is very, very common. If you go to, you know, altcoin charts, let's go Cardano over here. And you'll see over here, the same thing happened, right? It goes towards upside, creates these double mountains, then it breaks down. Cardano is a little bit different over here, but even over here, there's a trend line over here. Goes up, then breaks down into a box, and then continues towards the upside. And you will see this on all of the charts, I think. They always break the trend, right? So over here, it went something like this over here. And you can see up here, two big mountains, then break the trend. Then started rising over here, then breaks the trend, right? Then over here, when it goes, didn't break the trend, and that was the big moves, right? But just before it actually, you know, does the big move, it does this thing where it always breaks the trend. And it is very, very normal. It is, you know, I did not know that before, but right now I know that is very, very common. And the same thing is happening up here, right? So we are breaking the trend over here towards downside over here the same way. And right now we are looking for, you know, whatever consolidation up here before the next move. Very, very common. Very, very common. Let's look at a little bit moving averages up here where we are right now, sitting on the 50 moving average on the weekly, on the monthly time frame. We still got a little bit of room left to go towards downside. Major levels down here on the downside over here, and the 20 moving average, because these are the most major levels. Something below down here, below these levels, this was the accumulation zone over here. We broke that. Right now we're just pulling back. And we also broke the support level over here, but that happens when you break the trend, right? So it's just consolidating like everything else. But there is nothing, let's see over here a little bit indicators down here on the weekly time frame. We're still sitting on this, 40 levels indicators over here. Momentum is kind of going a little bit the same way, so a little bit hard to say, whether momentum is good or not. The monthly time frame over here, we got a momentum loss over here and a downtrend over here, which is nothing bad, yeah, but also the volume is going towards downside. So just trying to find the bottom just like everything else, but does look good. Does look good. And previous bottom up here to this bottom over here, I would say over here, not all the way down here. How much is this over here? 2 to 8, like 4 or 5x. This is actually very good. I like when coins create new bottoms, right? So this was bottom in the bear market. This is already pumping over here towards upside, right? It's already pumping and pulling back. But this bottom up here and this bottom up here, I like when the bottom is higher than, there are coins where you have a bottom and then you have the new bottom that goes towards the upside. I don't like that. So AVAX definitely looks, healthy, and right now it's only pulling back a little bit. How much did it do over here towards the upside over here? 7x, give or take. But the big question is whether this is the line, right? Because right now we could assume that this is, some kind of pivot point. And then goes something like this over here and then it goes towards upside. May 2025 now. Goes over here, breaks that and goes towards upside. December 2024. AVAX sucks right now. The price come down to my buy in months ago. Let's see on the daily time frame over here. Wow, the daily on the AVAX is all the way down to 27 on the RSI. The trend is not broken yet, but it is very, very low. Like once this downtrend over here, guys, see this downtrend over here, this last part. Once this actually starts breaking towards upside over here, this is gonna. You do understand that, right? The momentum is building towards downside, yes, so I'm a little bit unsure whether we are hitting bottom, but we are very, very close. That's why I'm telling you, like, literally anything you look at, you are stupidly bullish. Literally anything you look at. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin. Mladen did post a chart on 1 minute chart, on 1 minute time frame over here. This on Coinbase. USD. It's actually very nice. It's, 1 minute chart on Coinbase is better looking than. It's better looking than. It's better looking than a Bybit chart. How like we said, like how can I short? Like even for scalping, like shorting is so scary right now. Even this pullback up here might be already done, right? We got a 4-hourly close in 38 minutes, guys. Atom is creating some kind of doji on the bottom. What kind of pattern is this over here? But it already had this doji and didn't move. Literally didn't move. What kind of... Like I was looking at CFX as well. I think CFX got some potential. It was this downtrend over here that actually broke towards the upside over here. But the reason I was actually looking at it, it was holding down here at the bottom. It had this doji up here. Could have already been done with the trade. Yeah, it's the same chart. One minute chart. Buy it. The problem with these kind of moves, they can do this over here, you know, and then drop down. So right now we already got a pivot point down here, so which is very important. So we already got a new trend line over here. And then it can break down. See, Cardano broke the trend, but it's still pulling towards up. Hope you had some shorts out. Nah, I didn't, unfortunately. We are too bullish to have shorts. Let's look at some other coins over here. XRD, I feel sorry. Was it Ralph or somebody else who had, you know, XRD? Oh man, I'm never trusting Ivan ever again, man. Like, it just keeps on bleeding. I don't know what's happening over here. Wesley, yeah, Wesley. I feel sorry for Wesley, man. Like, look at this over here. But it did pump all the way up to the midline over here, you know, 50% of the move up here towards the upside. This is 300% over here, 150% up here, give or take. I'm in an ICP short, just complete cup and handle. Cup and handle. Time frame. I don't see it, man. Regardless of the time frame. But it is holding this support level very, very nicely. Oh, 1 minute. Some kind of inverted cup and handle pattern. I don't know. Too early to say whether it's you know, cup and handle. Yeah, I feel sorry for Wesley, man. Like, this thing over here, like, just bled towards downside. Very bad chart, unfortunately. Something's wrong with the chart. I don't know what it is, but it just keeps on bleeding. So many of these dojis. Look here. This is double 4-hourly doji. Look at this part over here. It just, everything just refuses to dump, so it looks bullish. So it looks very bullish. So it looks very bullish. What's Bitcoin doing? Okay, if you short Bitcoin right now, how likely is it goes back down below the support level over here? 4 hourly closing in 32 minutes. We could get a wick down after that. So if you look at a Bitcoin chart over here on the 4 hourly time frame, once actually this closes over here, you can get a wick down and you can still go towards the upside, but you can catch that wick. That's the thing. And over here, this looks like, extend, smack, hug, dump pattern towards downside over here. We don't like 30 minutes up here. 20 moving average up here. And you'll also see a lot of these, bottoms over here, bottom over here, bottom over here. So there is a whole bunch of liquidity that be picked up down here. So there is a good chance we dip down and then go towards the upside. So we can actually short this. Yeah, we can definitely short anything right now, because Bitcoin is pulling back down. So let's look at something that does look bullish. Do we have green 4 hourly candles on anything? I see we experiencing upward pressure, currently trading at 831. Lito, where are you reading that, man? Let's short AVX. Sorry, Kobus, we're gonna short AVX. Nah, this goes too much down. Azira kind of broke the trend over here, right? Let's see. Maybe it's CFX up here. How much downside is for CFX over here? Wow, this is very volatile. It broke this trend towards the upside. Can short it now. There's big volatility over here. 4% move. There is a doge on 30 minutes over here. 1 hourly 30. I think this liquidity down here needs to be picked up though. I don't know. If it comes maybe towards the top again. Bitcoin still pushing up. Bitcoin just can't drop. I will never touch my hands on this coin. Which coin? I went through a whole bunch of coins. Look at Cardano up here in this latest move. Downtrending channel. Big volume on these dumps over here. Capitulation, big one, 1, 2, 3 times over here. I'll touch any that make me money. See, Captain knows. Possible pump on Taiko. Possible pump on everything. 33 minutes left. Smash the like button. We still got lows and lower lows all over the place. Over here we broke the support previous time. We're still not getting the support. There might be another dump, and I think it's waiting for the 4 hourly. Guys, I think we're gonna short it. I don't care what other people tell me. I think we're gonna short it. And let me see over here 4 hourly. Look at these wicks on the chilies, man. But see here, chilies have the same kind of pattern that Cardano has. So if we split the chart, this is chilies, this is Cardano. 5-minute time frame, no 4 hour time frame, no 1 hour. I mean, look at this over here. Take the entire part over here. It is the same pattern, like literally the same pattern. Chilies and Cardano is literally the same pattern on the dollar. Move up, down, move up, down. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trend line, trend line. Place a stop loss. No, mental stop loss only. Where is Wix? It sticks. Where it Wix, it sticks. Take the chili short, lol. That's funny. Where it Wix, it sticks. But don't you agree, guys? The patterns are the same. Literalmente the same ano. Just this part, not everything else. I mean, over here, it's a little sideways up here, but... First move. Second move, big. Second move, big. Third move, not so big. Third move, very big. Fourth move, less. Fourth move, less. Let's go to 4 hourly over here. 4 hourly. The trend over here is not broken yet. This is like the daily on the chilies is down at 26, 27 on Cardano. Cardano is double doji over here on the daily and it's still pushing down. With a momentum increase. Let's go back to CFX. I think Bitcoin is getting exhausted. If you look at Bitcoin chart over here, on small time frames, this move was very fast, and there was this move, and right now there is this move. So it is getting exhausted, curving towards the right side. Like we said, it can do this up here and then drop down, right? Maybe it's gonna create doji up here at the top on 1 hourly. 4 hourly, this actually looks very good for 4 hourly, but might drop down. Do you know what I noticed immediately when I'm streaming and I'm tired? I get trigger anxiety. Like earlier today, when I was streaming very early, there was no trigger anxiety. But when I'm tired, I get trigger anxiety. I don't know why. It's $300. Why am I getting trigger anxiety? I don't know. I think it's because of tiredness. So that's why I'm telling you guys, it is very important to trade only when you are in top shape. Up 7% of Sui, brother, now. Muzamil, you're doing well, man. 7%, that's good. 7% here, 7% there, and you get a Lambo. Full moon in 5 hours. Yeah, we know. We know. Bro, I tried to put on 3 minutes and find 2 order blocks. What is an order block on the last dump and buy the support of the one above? Check it out. Absolutely, you know, I'm not really good, you know, when it comes to, you know, these order block stuff and anything, you know, TA that doesn't involve lines. So I don't know what that actually means, honestly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna wait for the close. So we still have, how much do we have on a 1 hour? 20 minutes. Wow, that's a long time, man. Anything can happen in 20 minutes. Literally anything can happen in 20 minutes. That's such a long time. Look at Ethereum going, man. Look at Ethereum. Loss. I'm learning from you and you cut loss earlier. You should not learn from me, man. The only thing you should learn from me is how to draw the lines. When it comes to trading, find a better guy to learn from. True story. You know, if you get a million, you know, then you can learn from me. But right now, you know, trading is, you know, technically not that difficult. Psychologically, very. One button, two button. I'm stuck in a 500 ETH long. 500 ETH or $500 ETH long. There's a big difference there. A lot. Tweet at $500. Okay. Wow, look at Captain, guys. Look at Captain. $500 in a trade. I remember back in the day when we were kids. She was doing like 20-30 bucks. Look now, $500, one trade. Your girl done grown up. Nice. Very nice. Increasing those bets. So this 4 hourly is, do we have anything that's gonna close at 4 hourly, like, you know, this over here, reject, 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 like how many times is gonna get rejected? I think this is gonna up, like, what's this, Algorand? Algorand also losing a little bit steep, like there is this move over here, but this move over here already broke down. Right now you got this move over here. Entire part up here. These are very, very small time frames. So we can short Bitcoin, we can short this. I think anything can be shorted right now. For scalping, like anything can be shorted. Oh, this looks juicy. Oh, this looks good. This is still 1 minute time frame, so you gotta trade it on 1 minute time frame. So if it starts going down over here, then you know, wow, that's a big move, man. Can it do one more pump up here? This is 1 minute time frame. Maybe it's waiting for the 60 minutes, you know, close. $30 minutes, 15, 10. 1, 2, 3. Bitcoin looks like primed to, sure, especially if you look at a 5 minute time frame over here. It looks like it just wants to drop like here. But it could do like this up here, and then, you know, what we are looking for is volume towards the upside. So let's look for volume. 5 minute time frame volume. Like this over here, KDA volume. KDA, we did KDA today. I think I heard something. Let's take 5 minute break. So you could check that out, but it's okay, you don't have to know everything. I don't know everything, man. Especially these order blocks. I have absolutely no clue what you're talking about. Short squeeze coming. Now this is breaking down, but I think it's gonna do another move. 1, 2, third move, and then break down. So I think this move up here is gonna break the highs up here and then break down. That might happen in the next 11 minutes after the close. Because once this hourly closes, it does another wick towards upside, and then it drops down. Future trade it on Qcoin. I opened a Wojak long yesterday, but only 3x leverage. Looks like I'm in a little profit. Nice, very nice. What is Wojak? I don't have Wojak on my charts. Wojak is old coin. Yeah, you're a little bit up. Depends when you open it, but you're a little bit up, yeah. This also just trending towards downside, like it just bleeding down. It's just getting everybody, you know, mad. Wojak is a meme. I 13x my spot, then I sold it. Very, very nice. See, guys, I'm telling you, Captain knows what she's doing. We still don't have any kind of, you know, blow off top on this move. Even though it's only 5-minute time frame, we still don't have any kind of blow off top. And I would like blow off top. I 12x my Mario and sold it. You know, I did coins like they did like 20-30x and I didn't sell them. What about Nike? Like you know, stock Nike. Like this Nike. Where is Nike? Like this one. I don't know. It looks like it's bump and dump pattern. Blow off top. I know it's 5 minutes, but you know, I'm telling you, man. Like even 5-minute time frame, they got same kind of, you know, same kind of, you know, finishers like, you know, monthly time frames, weekly time frames. They got blow off tops, they got capitulation levels. It happens on all time frames. It just happens faster. I know that volume candles. Yeah. So you see up here, entire move towards upside up here. The volume has actually been, you know, slowly, steadily decreasing towards upside. But then you have this, you know, volume candle. Everybody thinks, oh, we are breaking towards upside. And then you get a, you know, volume candle, then you dump. Please check band dog. Long now, I think I'm looking for a short, like short scalp, but it's only on the you know, if you look at a 4 hour, the 4 hour actually looks good. The problem with 4 hourly right now, that might pull back. Now the pullback we're gonna scalp. When I say we, I mean I, you know, not financial advice. I do me, you do you, my money, your money, you know. What I do, don't do me, because if you do me, then you can, you know, do stupid stuff like, you know, this over here or this over here, especially this over here, which is bad. You don't want to do that. I want to buy Bend the Dog as well, but Bend the Dog is like, you know, market cap on Bend the Dog is, you know, something like crazy. Bend the Dog, like 760, yeah, it's like 2 billion or something like that. It's only 22 million. It's only 22 million. Wow. Bargain. Literally Bend the Dog. France, Netherlands, nobody cares. France, Netherlands, nobody cares. Let me see which other we had Slovakia, Ukraine. Ukraine actually won versus Slovakia. Poland, Austria won, nothing special. France, Netherlands 0-0 pause. Not exciting. Yesterday, Denmark, England was exciting, 1-1. Serbia, Slovenia, 1-1. I don't know how that happened. Spain won over Italy, 1-0. Wow. And I think tomorrow is a big match. No, it's not tomorrow. When was it? It was today, tomorrow, Sunday, I think. No, Monday. When did I see the big match? Oh, that was yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. Denmark, England, and Spain, Italy was the big one. So tomorrow we got what's good tomorrow? Nothing is good tomorrow. Sunday, nothing is good on Sunday. Monday, Albania, Spain. Ooh, Croatia, Italia. Monday, Croatia versus Italia at 9 a.m. I'm gonna watch that. Netherlands, Austria, Poland, France, Denmark, Serbia, England, Slovenia. Nothing exciting. Yeah, I'm not really into the Europe Cup this year. I don't know why, but I will watch the semi-finals and finals and all of that shebang. Look at a candle. I mean, this is bullish, right? Let's look at a 5-minute time frame. Do we have a volume candle over here? Some kind of volume candle is kicking in over here. Is this the one? I don't think so quite, because we still don't have the 4-hourly close. I think we're gonna have a 4-hourly close. Then pump a little bit and then dump. Does everything has a volume candle right now? Falling wedge. We don't do you. The corn pops. Go 100x on Bitcoin long. Nah, we're done with that. I'm not doing that kind of stuff. Like, it's exciting for 5 minutes, but most people just want me to do real trades. Five minutes left. It's now or never. I think it's gonna be Bitcoin, guys, because why not? Why not? KDA pumping a little bit up here towards the resistance level. I mean, KDA can be short as well. Let's check out KDA. See, there was a volume candle up here. All of these are volume candles, but it could be a bigger volume candle. 1 hourly up there. Still hitting the resistance level over here. Bend the dog. Oh, bend the dog. I'm just gonna show the chart. Here's bend the dog falling wedge on the 4 hourly. This bottom over here looks very, very nice, very juicy. Still at that very same bottom over here. Maybe. Maybe we can just short KDA, because KDA is a lot more volatile. But let's wait a little bit more. A little bit more. We got like 3 minutes on the 4 hourly close. And then we're gonna scalp it towards downside. Because this trend over here is gonna eventually break, right? This already broke over here, short time frames. New one up here. The best advice of the night came from Captain. Which advice was that? 100x long on Bitcoin. Guys, it's now or never. I'm getting a little bit tired and I don't want to trade when I time. That's why we only do one trade a day, and only, regardless of the time of the day, we only do it when we are very, very well rested and hungry. Hungry for gains. And sorry about the light, because lighting in this room is quite bad, because I still haven't fixed my light on the roof. See here, this is the volume candle, right? This big move, and it continues up here 2 times up here. But might be do a 3rd time and then drop down, right? Because it often does that. especially because we are waiting for the 4-hourly wick over here. So we got 59 minutes over here left. Let's just look at the list over here. We got some kind of doji up here. The trend is still not broken over here. It looks like it wants to be broken over here. Go somewhere over here. Yeah, the trend is still not broken. But it is expanding musical instrument, but you know, the move down can actually come. And we need like 1%. We don't need like, you know, 4% move. So there's nothing wrong with shorting. Don't judge. F you, bull market. Exactly. I think it was the 100x long part. But you know, oh, this KDA Binance, KDA USDT Bybit. Yeah, this is better. See here what we did today, guys. See here what we did today. I'm just gonna remove this. I don't care about that. So over here, 5-minute time frame over here. Do we have? There we go. We got a 4-hourly close. Do we have a wick already on the upside? I mean, technically, we have some kind of wick over here. There goes Bitcoin to the resistance level. I think we already start shorting because Bitcoin is right now about to dump towards the downside. This is Wojak. Where is Bitcoin over here? 5-minute time frame. See this move up here? See one candle on 1-minute time frame over here. That is the volume candle. I mean, a big time frame is not, but you know, on the small time frames there is big move up. But what's better to short, KDA or Bitcoin? Let's do KDA because, you know, reasons. See, trigger anxiety, man. Trigger anxiety is real. Trigger anxiety is very much real. Now, let's overcome our trigger anxiety and you know, your transfer has been filled. There we go. And of course, you know what we gotta do now. We gotta take another 5-minute break. Why is the price not moving in the right direction? This is actually very bad. Because it's not supposed to move that direction though. This consolidation up here, it's not good. 5 minutes. It's already broke the trend over here. Let's wait. You have to trust your feelings. Well, my feelings are not working this time. See, this is why we don't trade when we are tired. Please, for the love of God, just get rejected, man. Feelings trading is your enemy. Yeah. So tomorrow we do it the regular way. There is no part 2 of the stream. Only one stream. Just a noob. I took your financial advice, man. Too late. It's like watching paint dry. The market sucks lately. That's good. Can you please stop pumping? Who's under the desk? Bitcoin is not pumping. Bitcoin is just, you know, hitting this resistance level. But it did break this channel towards upside up here, towards the resistance of this other line over here. If Bitcoin dumps, everything dumps. So, you know, I think we're still okay. Even though this just seems to be pumping. Query minds want to know. Five minutes closing in 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Bitcoin got a doji on 5-minute time frame though. At the top. It did close this 1 hourly above the resistance level, did it? Yeah, it did. 4 hourly. Okay, it's pulling back down a little bit. Bitcoin is pulling back down. As expected, but this wasn't actually supposed to go up this much. Maybe we can survive it if it just pulls back right immediately towards downside of here. Doji up here, bearish engulfing, try to break up here, high. Trying to pick up the levels up here at the top. There we go. I think this line up here is very legit. If you can break this line towards the downside, this yellow line, that might be nice. Best case scenario, Bitcoin does the poo-poo and poops below the line. Over here. I mean, this is the best case scenario for us right now, right? Below these support levels. Right now, it's just going into the support levels. But we are coming back down again, so we are at, you know, our entry right now is acting as support. Let's get below that. There we go. We are a little bit below that, not quite much, but you know, we're a little bit below that. By the way, let's put a line over here on the chart. 5902. Short entry 0. What do I say? 0902. 0902. There we go. So we are a little bit below our entry. Let's also put the profit targets, because why not? You know, we're just looking for 1%. We are tired. We're just looking for 1% down here. You know, I mean, we can you know, we can take. I'll take anything. I literally take anything right now. But you know, take profit target down here. Maybe fresh on neckline. I'm short as well. Let's go! Bitcoin 15-minute V formation neckline. We are on 15 minutes. Neckline, what kind of neckline? V formation. Oh, you mean this one? Yeah, but it is major level of resistance though. But if you zoom out just a little bit more, and I'm going to show you something over here, which I think is interesting. I don't know if you're going to find that interesting, but you'll see these moving averages, right? Especially this 10-20 moving average, 10-20 moving average over here. See how he, you know, get rejected over here. Try to get it not close. Try to get 20 not close, and then it gets over here, dumps down below these levels, and then goes towards the upside. You might call me crazy, but this is very common. That's why I'm looking for this move towards the downside over here right now. A little bit towards the downside up here, maybe a little bit more towards us, and as well. Maybe it's gonna create some kind of 4-hourly double bottom over here, something like that. Why is this thing not moving? It's literally not moving. Two minutes on the same level, because Bitcoin is just waiting to see what's Bitcoin gonna do. And Bitcoin is not doing much. Maybe it's gonna do these, you know, double mountains and then drop down. Or maybe it doesn't drop down. I love patterns, be careful. Then you can tell me how this plays out. How this 15-minute pattern plays out. You know what, the noob, here's the link, man. Here's the link. TA Fans Club. Join there and post your chart and explain me how these patterns play out. I love patterns as well. It looks like some kind of expanding musical instrument over here that breaks down. I mean, I'm drawing it like this over here because I don't want to draw it like this. Where is the volume? We need volume. It's a big volume dump. There is no volume on the dump over here. Bitcoin still haven't broken down. 15 minutes, 5 minutes up here. The way I see it, it already broke the trend 2 times. Maybe not 2 times, maybe because this over here created this trend over here. Now this goes over here. Maybe in something like this over here. And then this trend over here goes something like this over here. So this expanding musical instrument over here and they tend to break down. I'm not allowed in groups. My wife is very jealous. Tell her it's only guys. Tell her TLA confirms it's only guys in the chat. Captain is a guy. It's literally called Captain Kirk. How will she ever know? There is 99 guys and 1 girl. I got 99 problems, but the bitch ain't one. Not saying that Captain is a you know what, but you know, I'm just saying 99 problems and mama ain't one, you know. I'm the mama. Oh, you are? I don't want to use bad names. It's a kids-friendly stream, you know. But that's miss, you know that what to, that's miss, you know what to use, sir. Not sure what you said there, but okay. Gangbang crypto group. You know, we got a world, yeah, we got a word in Norway about, you know, a gathering of guys in a party. It's called Pulsefest. If you go to, you know, if you go to Pulsefest, it means, you know, just hot dog, you know, wiener, you know, party. They have Pulsefest here in Norway in a lot of shops, you know, where the hot dogs are very, very cheap. But, you know, gathering of guys, the noob captain. He changed his name for you. Now I know why your wife is jealous. This is gonna drop down, I think. Like the hopium is high. $10 closing in 1 minute. 5 minutes closing in 1 minute. Probably I'll have to be grim at some of these guys. I mean, we're not down that bad. I mean, we can handle the you know, 0.2 loss. Well, not now. It's going a little bit up. Still, we can handle it. It's okay. It's curving towards downside. But I hope it's about to explode towards downside, because we shorted this. Because if it starts breaking this towards upside over here, it's pretty much over. I don't know if you guys understand that. It could be the top line. If it starts breaking this line. I don't know if you can handle this though. We could handle a little bit. I don't know if you can handle this. Still didn't break up. Still didn't break up. Still I have the volume up here. Still I have the any kind of volume up here. A little bit volume onto the resistance level. Well, good thing is at least one of us will be right. I would have long it. I think we have the right channel right now. No, first one. Wow, Bitcoin is pulling back all of them gains. I think they just need to exhaust the bulls. If you exhaust the bulls and they, you know, put all their longs, you know, then you drop it. But as long as there are bulls left. It's really interesting how we trade, or how I trade. I'm looking at what Bitcoin is gonna do, and based on that, I take position on other coins. Like, it's stupid. But for some reason, it works. I mean, I cannot say that entry is the best entry, though. Been here forever and I didn't know you had a song. It just came up in my feed. We actually have 2 songs, I think. There was a guy that used to be here, you know, he made a really good, you know, tunes. Yeah, but we do. You wanna hear the song, guys? I'll put it in the description so you can guys check it out.
And so, to me, it's just a
Yeah, it's virtually gone.
And I think the people who are professional traders that go into trading cryptocurrencies, it's just disgusting. It's like somebody else is trading turds and you decide I can't be left out.
Shut the noise up.
Give me music, 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 music. The late doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller. The late doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller.
The signal
Yeah, it's the same guy.
is the truth. The noise is what distracts us from the truth.
The late doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller. The late doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your
Yeah, the
crack
guy
and
is a genius.
dopamine dealer. The late doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller.
I don't know if you are all shorting now, but you know, there's that. I'll put the link to the song in the description of the live streams, just so you know. Oscar Anaya, the late adopter. There we go. It's in the description right now. So if you guys want to check it out, you're welcome to do so. Yeah, it is very good. What happened to the milk you always drink? Didn't think you'll drink sodas. I'm cutting down on the milk part. I don't know why. And the only reason I'm drinking soda is because I'm trying to, you know, get some, you know, energy to do the stream. Because I did wake up very early, so it is time, almost time for me to sleep right now. But unfortunately, we are in this trade that isn't going our way. So can I just close and go to this, go to sleep? This needs to drop down before this drops down. holding the trend very nicely. No Nuke Cola today. We don't have Nuka Cola or Nuke Cola here in Norway. We only got the regular stuff. When is 50 minutes closing? In 3 minutes. Let's take a 5-minute break. Cardano. If we had taken short Cardano, how would we have done so far? Not so well. How about AVEX? Not so well. How about CFX? Maybe a little bit better. I don't know. How about? Nice. I think you will make a buck on it today. So we are down I don't want to come back and retest the channel, guys. Bitcoin is breaking down. CADA is breaking down. We are in profit. 3%, 10 bucks. Still pushing it down. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Well, you know what you're gonna do this stream? We're gonna make a trend line. And we're gonna ride the trend. Because it's 1 minute trend, so you know when the trend breaks towards upside, we're done. Yeah, short is working. Yeah. I mean it's not much, you know, but you know, 10 bucks here, 5 bucks there, you know, it's okay. The best part is that Bitcoin is doing exactly as we expected, and that is the best part. Unfortunately, the best part is not our entry over here on KDA. That is not the best part. It all adds up eventually. Eventually. I actually post I'm gonna show you. James joined the group. Welcome, James. TF Fans Club chat. Where did I post that? Check this out.
Sì. Eventually. What? Eventually.
You have to see the whole thing. I know nothing.
Oh, your horse! It wins! Manuel, you.
Wait. I want to watch the chart. Let me put the chart up here. Okay, USDT Bybit. Okay, I want to watch the chart while we do this. You know what? Let me split the chart in two. KDI and Bitcoin. And over here, I'll put on 5 minutes. There we go. And now I can show you that. It's funny.
No, nothing. You always say, Mr. Faulty, but I learn. What? I learn. No. I get better.
No, you don't understand.
I do.
No, you don't.
I do understand that.
You know nothing about the horse.
I know nothing about the horse.
Yes.
Which horse? Which horse I know nothing?
My horse, nitwit.
Your horse, Nitwit.
No, dragonfly.
It won.
Yes, I know.
I know it won too.
What?
I put money on for you. You give me money, I go to Betty shop.
Yes, I know.
Why you say I know nothing?
Look. You know the horse?
Nitwit or Dragonfly?
Dragonfly, that isn't a horse called Nit. You're the nitwit.
What is with Nit?
It doesn't matter. Look, it doesn't matter. Oh, I could spend the rest of my life having this conversation. Please try to understand before one of us dies.
I try.
You're going to forget everything you know about nitwit.
No, Dragonfly.
Dragonfly, yes.
See. Eventually.
What?
Eventually. At the end.
No, forget it now. Now? Well, pretend you forget.
Pretend?
But don't say anything to anyone about the horse.
I know that. You tell me that this morning.
So don't do it again. Yes, sir?
It's Mrs. Richards.
The fatal accident?
She's had some money stolen.
Oh, Mr. Faulty.
I tell Polly.
What? Oh, that's all right, but don't tell anyone else. Not even me. You know nothing.
He says he won it on a horse.
Won it on a horse? It doesn't matter. Do you remember me giving it to you? Oh, think. Please think.
What was the question again?
Oh, the money. Do you... Manuel. You remember I had some money yesterday? The money I won on the horse.
Oh, see.
Yes. Tell Mrs. Richards. tell her I had the money yesterday.
I know nothing. What? I know nothing.
No.
Nothing.
No, forget that.
No, I forget everything. I know nothing.
No, you can tell her. You can tell
I
her.
cannot.
Yes, yes, tell her. Oh, tell her, please. Here, tell her.
No, I know nothing. I am from Barcelona.
I don't know if you guys have, been watching Faulty Towers, but this show is, it's legendary. It's so good. By the way, doing okay-ish. The trend is not broken yet. We're still in downtrend over here on 1 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame still pushing down. Bitcoin still pushing down a little bit over here. A little bit worried that it can actually do a nice pump. So everybody is waiting. But I will close this trade pretty quickly though, because I'm just not feeling it right now. See here, right over here, it broke the trend and retest. Wait, what? See, I just started noticing. This is Mladen told me something about the RSI trend lines. Before that, I never used RSI trend line. I starting to notice a lot more trend line breaks and stuff like that, and stuff breaks and goes towards upside and stuff like that, right? So they are very, very important. I don't know why. Bitcoin also broke the trend over here, but didn't break it over here. Do we have any kind of close up here? Hitting these moving averages over here. 1 hour time frame, closing in 20 minutes. I don't think I'm in the mood for this. $7, same on fees. Five-minute time frame, 16 seconds left. Seven seconds left. What happens now? Red doji, Bitcoin, full red candle. We wait. Full red candle, we wait. You lately from 110. How's your ego doing, guys? Pretty good. We are up above 300, or was above 300 after 227. So ego is doing fine. Why does it move so slow? That's the question, right? Why does it move so slow? I don't like volatility, but I don't like this, no movement either once I'm in position. Like, it's literally not moving. Like, It's standing still. Because it's weekend. Is it weekend right now? Oh yeah, it's Friday. It is Friday. We don't have egos. We got a nice chart from Milan. It's literally not moving. Literally not moving. I don't know if it stopped moving or what. Like, this is a 1 minute candle. Didn't move literally. Bitcoin either. It's very nice. So midline over here already got retest. Right now it's just standing very, very still. You know, when stuff is bullish, every single support holds. When something is bullish, it will break down, but every single support will hold. Every single support will hold. So what we have, like in the nature of human being, maybe I'm wrong. Now everybody has ego. But when people are talking about ego, they are talking mostly about the self-confidence. But ego can be also lack of self-confidence. Ego is just a description of yourself. Or something like that, maybe. This might have been... This is what we use to protect ourselves. Yeah, we're not gonna go into that discussion because I'm not quite there. To tell you the truth, this was a very bad entry, right? We entered over here, not up there. We are in the middle of the range. 50 moving average is holding us on 1 minute time frame. 5 minutes time frame, it's 10:20. I mean, our entry right now is the resistance level, but if it's bumps above that, then we have a problem. Not similar as this one. Like this one here. This looks better. See the trend line over here. 5 minute time frame. 1 minute consolidating, but no pumps. The problem is if it does the move towards the upside, right? If it does this move and goes back down again, right? But this move over here can actually pump, you know, our price above the short entry. I don't want that. Right now we are actually doing well. We are up like almost 5%, so it's halfway there. But overall, it's a terrible trade. Number one, didn't catch the top. Number two, we were underwater 2 times. Now there is a doji up here. I'm gonna exit the trade. Confirm. P&L $4.50. We're above $303, and you know, it's okay. It was a bad trade, regardless. You know, I'm already tired, so there is that. Entered at the wrong time. It's okay. We at least we didn't get out with a loss, so there is that. I don't know, guys, about you, but you know, 21.6 KD again, short 10x, 298. Right now we are 303 and we got $5 plus $5. Doesn't matter. Small win, but it's better than nothing. Anyways, guys, we are back above $300, so we're gonna do another trade tomorrow. When we are well rested, and there's that. But I just can't do this right now. It might go down, it might go up, but you know, I'm telling you guys, if Bitcoin decides to do this move up here towards upside, you know, there is a good chance, you know, it again goes towards upside and whatnot, and I just can't handle it right now. Also, it's getting quite late. It's 15 minutes to 11, and I need to go, you know, clean a little bit and then sleep and stuff like that. I like to listen to other opinions. Thanks for the stream. You're welcome, man. So enjoy the night, guys. I hope, you know, shorts work out for you guys. If you're short, if you're long, I hope the longs work out for you guys. But you know, it's nothing. It's nothing. I'm telling you guys, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. We already did this for 10 days, and we're gonna do it for 10 more days and 10 more days. And you know, I just have to make sure that we don't lose money and just keep on building the account. So that means that we have live streams, that means that we have entertainment, that means that, you know, we have a goal, you know, all the good stuff, all the good stuff. And you know, I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I gotta tell you that. And if this for whatever reason pumps and starts going towards the upside, it's just gonna ruin my entire night. So I don't want to do that. It's better to have a small win and feel good than a big loss and feel bad. Because I did have, you know, trades where we enter the trade and close the trade, and then it continued going in that direction, and you're like, oh man, I could have, you know, made so much money. But it doesn't feel that bad. I gotta tell you that. It doesn't feel that bad. What feels bad is when you have a position and you short it, and then it goes up here, and, you know, you close the position, and then it goes this way over here. That feels very, very bad. So I'm a little bit, how are you gonna say it, emotionally reserved. But I was also looking at this, you know, 20 moving average over here, pull back towards downside, and you know, the short that I wanted to take was a little bit bigger. But you know, the thing that, you know, this was supposed to dump towards downside, it did dump towards downside over here. How much? 0.5%. So it did pull back. And if you look at a 4-hourly time frame over here, it did do the move that I was kind of expecting over here a little bit, maybe a little bit more towards downside. But it is bullish, guys. It is bullish. So I don't know whether the move is done or not. It is curving. So right now there's a new trend line over here. But you know, if it goes up here again and then, you know, breaks down eventually towards upside, this move towards upside can actually mess up. Best case scenario, this just continues going towards the downside. But if it does go over here, you know, it could mess up this this trade over here. So I don't want to be there. I don't want to be there. Anyways, guys, we got money for tomorrow. There is new trade tomorrow. That's the only thing that matter. Entertainment, guys. Entertainment. Enjoy the night, guys, and you know, take care. Mladen, it's nice chatting with you again, man. Arrivederci. Bye-bye. And everybody else, thanks for